I want to talk to you about this Samsung SSD card. This is a T7, and if your computer is slowing down because you're doing a lot of videos and you're starting to run out of space, this is the perfect thing you need. It's really inexpensive, and all you do is you just plug it in to your computer. It becomes another drive, and then you take those files that are really slowing down your computer and you drag them right over and you put them on here. Now I take this, I plug it in to my desktop. I have a tower. I plug it into the desktop. It sits right on top. And now I don't even really realize that it is on this card and not on my hard drive on my computer. My computer runs a whole lot faster now that I've cleared all this extra baggage off of it, and my storage on my desktop is really helping me get that thing to run a whole lot faster. And then when I go to jump onto my laptop, all I have to do is unplug this from my desktop, plug it into my laptop when I'm traveling, and I have all the files that I really need right here at hand. And if something would happen to my computer, if it would perhaps say crash or just not work, you know how sometimes they do, I have all my files stored right here and I'm ready to go. I no longer have to worry about backing them up because I've got everything stored right here on this drive. And there is tons of space on here. It's 2 TB. I think it is, yep. It's 2 TB amount of storage, which is a tremendous amount of storage. And this has just been a great, this has been a game changer to get my computer to move faster and keep my videos all safe. And that's just my honest opinion.